channel. So if you're new here, my name is Bella. I make lifestyle vlogs, hair videos, beauty tips, and all that. But today, just like the title says, today is just practically a video about hygiene shopping. So I'm going to take you guys along, so please subscribe if you haven't, like, share this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, so come with me, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back from shopping. So I'm just going to show you guys the things I got. Yeah, so we're going to start with this. So I got this Dove Deeply Nourishing body wash. It's actually a moisturizing body wash, but I'm just surprised it's written nourishing here. Before it used to be deep moisture, so but I could not find that one that was just written deep. There's always like this, there's a shape it has, it's just so short, then it has this like pump, you know, so I did not get it. So this is the one I got. Yeah, so the next body wash I got is this St. Ives refreshing body wash, rose water and aloe vera. I've heard so many reviews about this body wash, so that was the reason why I got it. I've never used this before, but I just decided to buy it to try it, you know. Yeah, so maybe I will do a video on this body wash, maybe reviewing it for you guys. I don't know. If you care, you can just let me know in the comment section. Then I bought this shaving cream. Yeah, this is Vit, and yeah, I'm supposed to tell you guys the price, so I think I will just go ahead and tell you guys the price. Like this one I got it at Sahad stores. If you're in Abuja, you'll be familiar with Sahad stores. I got it for 2,200. In the other store, because I went to like 3 different places, I couldn't get everything I wanted in one particular supermarket. So other places they sell for like 3,000 to 4,000, but Sahad stores, their things are, I won't say really cheap, but I think they are more affordable. Yeah, so I got this for 2,200. Then I got this at H Medics. If you're in Abuja, you'll be familiar with those places. And I got this one for 2,890 naira, guys. So, and this shaving cream, I got it for 1,720 naira. I got this at H Medics too. Yeah, so the next thing I got is this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. I love this. You can't go wrong with this, guys. So it's very good, especially for this dry season. You know, this is December period here in Nigeria, especially in the north or anywhere close to the north. The weather is always too dry, your skin will be dry. You need this Vaseline, and it's good. It's just with pure cocoa. It's even written here. It's very good for the skin, guys, so I recommend this. I use this anyway. So, and I got this Nivea Black and White Invisible Clear. This is what I use because it's very strong. It has this like strong hold, you know, so I prefer using this, and it really lasts for me anyway. It really lasts, although I want to really change this because so yeah, I got this Always sanitary pad. This is the one I use. So yeah, I got this for 550 naira. Yeah. And next thing is I use this what's it called again, cocoa butter formula by Palmer's. I use it. This skin therapy is very good, so I ran out of it and it's been long I used it, so I just went back to get it, and I got this for about 6,500 naira. This is what it does. As you can see, it removes scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, aging skin, you know, and it comes with pure argan oil. It's written here too. Guys, the next thing I got is this holy grail. Like something else, honestly. You see this Dove exfoliating body scrub, don't miss it. Like, if you don't know about it, okay, now you know. It's very good, it's nice on the body, leaves the skin soft, you know, and it smells really good. Like, this really smells nice. It smells amazing. Like, it's so good. I love everything about this body scrub because I just like the scent. And this is the crushed macadamia and rice water scent. So guys, don't sleep on this. Get this, it's really good. Okay, so before I forget, I got this for about, is it 3,000, and I got it at Sahad's. I told you guys Sahad's stores is just, I don't know, it's very affordable, guys. It's very affordable because in other stores and supermarket I saw this for about 5,000, 6,000, yeah, but in Sahad stores here in Abuja I got it for 3k, just 3k. And this simple cleansing wipes is very good for, even if you have a sensitive skin, is so good. Yeah, and I got this for about, is it, oh my god, I think I got it at Sahad stores, but I can't remember, maybe about 1,000 something. Yeah, it's super affordable there. Yeah, so guys, this is not really a skincare video anyway, but it's still hygiene. You have to look neat. Okay, so I got this Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade toner. I've had so many reviews about this toner, guys, so I decided to change my toner from ordinary. You know, ordinary toner is so harsh, so I decided to like get this toner. I think I'm going to like it because the reviews are crazy. Like, a lot of people love this, so I just hope I'm going to like it. Though this is my first time, maybe I'll do a review on this, you know. Yeah, maybe, just maybe. So the next thing I got is, I got this disinfectant like Dettol. If you're in Nigeria, Africa, you'll be familiar with it. The next thing I also got is, and I also got this hypo. You know, if you don't really have jig, you can get hypo. If you don't find jig, sorry, you can find hypo. They are super affordable. You know, if you're in Nigeria, Africa, you'll be familiar with these products. They're very good, you know, to wash and clean your toilets, you know. So yeah, and I got this floss, this dental floss pick. I got this too. It's very good when you're done eating, you know, all those Mr. and Mrs. that are always stuck there, get them out. Yeah, so the next thing I got is my toilet paper. This is toilet paper I use most of the time. It's super affordable, and the brand name is Familia. And guys, the next thing I got is this. I got this cotton plates. You know, I'm going to be using it with my toner. I just use this for, you know, cleaning and all that. Then yeah, I think that's okay. So I decided to change my towel, guys, and I got this towel. I also got it at Sahad stores for 1,700. Yeah, and I don't really use big towels, so this is like a small towel. This is what it looks like. This is how wide it is and big. So yeah, that's that. And the big one, I think the big one should be available there too. So I got this door mat, you know. I just got it in front of the door of my toilet, you know, that. So lastly, guys, I got this, you know, it's all about hygiene. I just got it for 1,000 naira. Just 1,000. Very affordable, super affordable. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, join the family. Let us get there, you know. Okay guys, thank you guys for subscribing. You guys are the best, actually, you know. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.